What's good, my people? Back again with another one. Another New Balance, another grey box. Same old grey box that I won't discuss too much. I'll get straight on to the box label. This isn't the original label. This is the store I bought it from. They like to put their own labels on. For what reason, I have no idea. I've never bothered asking or checking or anything like that. Don't think I care too much. But yeah, the pair is NB202, so that's 2002 New Balance, colorway black suede, kind of straight to the point, size UK 11. We'll get straight into this one. Bam. So we've got a black suede New Balance 2002R or 2002, yeah, 2002R, 2002, whatever you want to call them. I'm just going to call them 2002 because adding the R on at the end, even though it's one small character, I can't really be bothered. But yeah, I'll go through the color and details of the shoes, trainers, sneakers, and then I'll tell you kind of what I think about them. Straight to the bottom, standard New Balance 2002 sole. It's also the same sole that's on a 1906/R/U, whatever you want to say. So it's just plain black, and then we've got a bit of plastic here which is grey with a small bit of like a crimson type of detail just there that extends over to the midsole. The rest of the midsole is literally all black once again, and then it's got that little type of crimson detail. Red, it's kind of like a crimson, it's not a pink, it kind of looks like a pink in some lights, but it's a bit more of a red to me. And then it's just got the New Balance logo and it says RG, so energy. I don't know if the camera's picking that up too well. Yeah, it's not the best lighting. So the upper, literally you can see it's all black once again. We'll just go through what these materials are. New Balance on the 2002 are, they like to use a lot of suede. So here we go, we've got black suede, black suede, black suede. We've also got some mesh. Then we've got this kind of like nubuck material here where it says 2002R. Then we've got the New Balance logo. This is always the same material. It's kind of like a foil type material. I don't know what to call it, with kind of like a plastic overlay. Underneath that, it's got the suede once again, and then it's stitched in, the logo. So all around is stitched in, obviously with thread. What have we got here? More suede. What have we got here? More suede. Then again, that kind of nubuck material, mesh, toe box. What's that? You guessed it. Some more suede. So New Balance love suede. I don't mind suede. This is a very different suede. It's very buttery, very soft suede. And then all on this side is mostly suede with a bit of nubuck, bit of mesh. Obviously that New Balance logo, and then we've got mesh here again with the nubuck. On the inside we've got the same color, which is black, and then that little piece of plastic as is on the bottom that wraps around there. It's the same color, it's kind of like a gray. On and around the laces we've got that stitched in N for New Balance, of course. That's always stitched in on most New Balances, if not all of them. Correct me if I'm wrong, don't quote me. Then the tongue, as you can see, we've got mesh, the same mesh that's on the toe box. Lace loops or holes, there's not really extra lace loops or holes, it's more like a hole punched into the material, which is obviously suede, you guessed it. Then we've got a bit of nubuck to like hold the laces, and then right at the top we have suede. So mesh, suede, nubuck, all on the tongue. And then that little logo there, New Balance running. with the crimson. That's the same material as what's on the end. I actually need to find out what these materials are, so I know their names and I don't sound like I don't know what I'm talking about, even though I probably don't. And then the sock liner, standard nice soft cloth, and then obviously the insole is cloth with the crimson New Balance running, and a little logo, etc. So the reason I got this pair is because, one, they are so comfortable. I love a New Balance 2002-1906R, you name it, I love them. Very, very comfortable. We are now going into autumn/winter. I've got black and white pairs, but for some reason, maybe it's just an excuse to be honest, I really thought I needed/wanted all black with just a bit of red or crimson, whatever you want to call it. I really like the pair, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna buy it. I think I'm showing my age, I'm getting a bit old now, so I just want plain colors. Nothing wrong with that, they still look 10/10 if I'm completely honest. So yeah, I said they look 10/10. I will rate them 10 out of 10 because there's nothing I would really change on these. The mesh is proper, is a nice mesh. It's not one I hope that will let too much air in. I will spray it with waterproofer anyway. Maybe on the colder days it will let air in, but it's not something I can control. It's not Cordura or any of the other materials, so you know, you do have the risk of letting some air in. Feet might get a bit cold, but it's all a part of having some New Balances. But yeah, 10/10, I have to rate them 10/10. I won't change anything. If I was to design another model, I'll definitely do a more winterized version with the same colorway, just different materials. But I'm not designing a pair, so it's alright. I don't know if they've got a full leather version, like literally the whole thing leather. I would love to see that. So New Balance, anyone, if you're watching, put that into place, or just contact me and I'll design them. But yeah, I'm not going to waffle too much more. Make sure you wait a few moments, you'll see an on-foot video. Like, comment, hype and share. Not enough hypes, my people. You have to hype the video, you have to like the video. And yeah, take care, my people.
Thank you.